Welcome back, 822 Foxy Moms. Today we're talking about smoothing those lumps and bumps so you can look even better in your clothes. Color and image consultant Tia Warren is here to help us look our best. Good morning.
Good morning.
Isn't it true what you wear under your clothes can actually shed a couple of pounds or make you look that much thinner?
More than a couple of pounds.
Really?
And they say it's the most important thing that you can put on.
Seriously. Okay, so, and it's not just, you hear about the old girdles that women used to wear, and they were pretty uncomfortable too.
We've come a long way. Come a long way since that.
And you brought lots of examples, so let's start with this.
So let's start with shapewear.
Okay.
So shapewear is something that smooths out underneath whatever else you're wearing. This is a cami on top, so it's actually got a built-in bra to it.
Okay.
And you can wear it so the cami part peeks out under your blouse because it's lacy.
Okay.
And it'll still smooth out everything going on in the tummy region.
So this is great for like t-shirts or sweaters or anything that's going to be a little more tight-fitting. It's
yes,
going to
consider
thin you out.
A layering piece.
Okay, here's another example.
This one's great. It's really lightweight and it cinches right at the waist.
I see that.
So it'll give you a nice tight waist and it's very, very comfortable and very lightweight.
I like this.
Yeah,
okay.
those are great.
What else do we have here?
Okay, so
what are these?
Those are for wearing underneath pants.
I hadn't even thought of wearing
light as a feather if you haven't.
Yeah.
You're not, obviously the viewing audience can't pick them up right now, but they're light as a feather. These are all from Dillard's Chapel Hills. So you can go up there and touch them and feel them and try them on, and the ladies there will help you.
It's like a second skin.
It is, and it'll smooth out everything you have under your pants.
And then you have the shorter version.
There's a shorter version, right.
Okay.
So if you're going to wear shorts or you just don't want the full length, then this is another great option.
Now slips, you say women should still wear slips, but they're different now too, right?
Yes, well, so you should always wear a slip, ladies, unless you already have one built into your skirt or your dress.
Okay.
But a lot of skirts and dresses still don't have them, so here's two different kinds of slips.
And this is, again, real stretchy, so that's going to...
That one's more form-fitted, so it'll smooth you out, but if you look inside, there's a built-in panty in it.
There is.
Which is right.
There is. Wow.
And then
that's
this is
unexpected.
more traditional but super lightweight slip, very, very comfortable. I like to get my slips in either black or nude colors so they can go with just about everything I'm going to wear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the tops.
Okay. So I want to just show the audience something real quick. This is like having, portable sleeves. So if anytime you have something sleeveless and you feel like, oh, I just feel like I need
Some
a
women are
sleeve,
self-conscious
or
about
with a
their
certain,
arms too.
part of the dress or something, this goes on and it creates instant sleeves. It's the greatest thing. And they come in different colors, and some with lace and then some without lace. And they're really a fun little accessory to have in your lingerie.
I like that. Okay, 30 seconds for this one.
So we're going to start talking about bras when we come back.
Okay.
I want to show you, this is the latest in a strapless bra.
What is this?
Sticks on. So you can wear it about 25 times. There's no,
so these, so it peels off?
It peels
off.
It's
it sticks
sticky, super sticky, and it won't go anywhere. You can be very secure in it.
So great for backless too.
Anything backless, that's right.
Wow. Okay. So next we're going to talk more bras.
Yes, we're going to talk about bras and some hosiery.
Ladies, stick around. This is what you want to hear. Thanks, Tia. We appreciate it. Let's check the forecast. Justin, what do you think?
Well, can I try any of those on? Or, I mean, does that work? Does it work for guys?
There are such things for men. I've seen them
It's
before.
a bro. No, it's a man's ear. It's a whole Seinfeld episode about how they try to come up with a man bra. Do they have those though, Tia? I mean, not necessarily. Okay. So moobs are okay. We don't, they're fine. You don't need the man's ear or the bro. Fox 21.